Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday! I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know what Budget Wednesday we like to do? We like to go through these cabinets and these refrigerators and create a tasty meal for you. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's go through our cabinets and see what we got for this week, Budget Wednesday. Follow your boy! Woohoo! Ooh, rah! Honey! Man, I'm gonna use that one day. One day. I don't know that. Let me see anything over here. Over there now. One lonely black bean. Let's see what we can do with that bad boy. Alright, put these back. I don't see nothing else. Let me go over this side. I don't see nothing in this side. Alright, let's take it to our refrigerator and see what we got, alright? Woo, wait! Someone went shopping! Alright, let me take a look here. From off the rip, I see we got some tomatoes. So definitely gonna put that in the meal. That's our steep hole right there. And then, oh, I do have some portobello mushrooms. I might do something with that as well. Let me see what else we got. Oh yeah, I forgot about this bad boy. I have some vegan balls that I made the other day. Maybe I could turn that in a different meal. Let's see what we could do. Let's see what we could do. Oh, I do have some cheese, some vegan cheese here. Let's see if we can put that bad boy in there. What else we got? We got some corn, some maize. Let's do what we can do with that bad boy. And now we got some bell peppers. What else we have? What else do we have down here? For right now, I see nothing else. Let's take a look up top. See if we have anything that we want to work with. All right, I got some avocado. I might do something with that avocado. All right, what else we have? We have some sweet potatoes. Let's see what we got. And of course, you know, we have our onions, some white onions. All right. See what we got. We got good amount of things to work with here. We got our beans, we got our leftovers. Yeah, we got a good amount of things to work with here. So stay tuned to see what we got. All right. Peace. Alright guys, so after taking a look at all of my ingredients, I decided to go with a loaded black bean BEETS mushroom burger. Vegan burger, baby. Let's go! And of course we're going to have some roasted herbal potatoes on the side. It's going to be delicious. Can't wait for this one.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
All right. Our finished product is upon us. Listen, I'm not even this long talking. I'm about to get down to work, son. Let me try this bad boy, see how it tastes. This is our loaded burger. Oh man, look at that thing right there. Look at that thing. Let me. Woo, it's gonna be messy. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh. Woo! You know, vegan shouldn't taste that damn good. I'm not gonna lie to you, vegan should not taste that good. Oh my god! I've heard tattoos all over my face. Listen, people, this recipe is amazing. This is a great substitute if you're trying to get away from meat. You gotta try this. You gotta try this recipe. Gotta try this recipe. Oh, I forgot my fries. I got my fries. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoy watching this episode because I'm about to enjoy eating this meal. Sorry about this. I'm not all the face. Excuse me. Like I said, thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoy because I enjoy making this meal. And right about now, I'm about to go tear it up. So if you guys don't know what to do, like, comment, and of course share, alright? And don't forget to subscribe. Peace! I'm about to tear this bad boy up. I'm about to tear this bad boy up. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this bad boy. Look at this again. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm out, people.